Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to get 4K quality within CapCut. So let's drag this piece of media here onto our timeline, and let's say I want to download this in 4K. All you need to do is come up to the top here and select Export. And then the resolution box here, you want to drop down and select 4K, and then Export. However, if you've recorded and it's not in 4K, it will not be able to upscale it. So the recording needs to be in 4K, even if it's, so let's say you recorded in 2K, even if you selected 4K, it'd stay at 2K, even if it does let you select 4K, if that makes sense. But that's how you select 4K resolution in CapCut. Hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.